Top 10 high paying skills required to be an entrepreneur. Basically the skills that can make you a lot of money, and to start your business, to launch your business, you need these 10 skills. These top 10 skills can actually make or break your business. It can actually elevate your income status, it can elevate the leads that you get in your business, the kind of work that you do in your business, the kind of clients that you get in your business, the kind of retainership you get in your business, the kind of feedback that you get in your business. These 10 skills are actually going to make a lot of money, a lot of profits in your business long term. Even if you're not a business person, you need to have basically understanding of these top 10 skills that can actually boost a lot of money results for you in future. So today I'm deep diving into these 10 skills. What I would recommend all of you is that please start focusing on these skills very much, and these every single skill is very important. So let's dive into that. First important skill is sales and negotiation. Now sales and negotiation is like the first thing that I learned in my life, because my first job was key account management. I was managing basically important B2B business for companies. So you need to have a lot of clients in your business. You need to basically improve your business and revenue growth on a daily basis. So how to negotiate with the client, how to improve your sales, getting leads, promoting yourself, setting the right money target for your audience. Those kind of skills are going to be very very important. And I'm telling you something very important, that when you start your business, if you're not earning money in that business, if you're not earning money, that's going to be a very very challenging phase for you. So you need to have revenue growth, you need to have business growth. So it's very important for you to have good sales and negotiation skills. You can hire a mentor, follow that mentor, and that mentor can help you. If you want to learn from me, join the group and I will be able to help you. Next is basically social media skills. Now social media skills, I'm not talking about using social media for posting pictures or even consuming content for that matter. You need to start thinking from a digital marketing perspective. In fact, like social media skills slash digital marketing skills, we can say that. So basically you need to have better promotional skills for yourself, how to promote your business, what the kind of work that you are doing. Very important. So once you are able to basically dive into the social media game, how to use Facebook, how to use Facebook lives, how to use Instagram, how to do LinkedIn videos, how to work on the algorithm, that digital marketing game, social media game, how to post content on that, how to create content for that. What I'm doing right now, I'm creating a video for YouTube. So how I'm creating the video, you can see the text coming, there's some animations going on, right? All the subtitles are going on. All these things are basically your digital marketing social media game. Very important in today's world, right? The business is going to be very very important, right? Next, you need to have financial management skills. Now financial management, when I say financial management, I don't mean accounting and business. It's basically money management. In simple words, it's money management skills. Now money management skills can basically how much to invest in your business. Should I buy this equipment or not? How much should I save for this business? How much should I how much I need to earn to sustain my business? How much I need to grow on a month to month basis? All those things. In fact, your taxes also based on how much work, how much business expense you're having. All this information is basically going to help you to have a better financial position. In fact, I would highly recommend watch my day 2 video, multiple streams of income. I've discussed in detail how you can have multiple streams of income, how you can have better financials in your life, right? Very very important. So I would highly recommend, again, if you have a mentor or you read books, financial books can give you a lot of perspective. Also get a mentor to learn these skills. Next, because the world is moving towards human skills, now AI is there, now a lot of technology is out there, right? How you're going to differentiate yourself from other people, like your basically your presentation skills, your public speaking skills is going to make you stand out when you're going to have this human to human connection. So I personally believe, no matter how much technology can come, a human to human connection will never go away. And when you are able to connect people with through your words, when you are speaking something, when the way you present an idea, that is going to stand out. The main difference between AI and humans is the way humans can design an idea and how they can present an idea, because AI generated tools are still going to use that standard templates that they have in their programs, right? Humans are the one who can put emotions into it, stories into it, right? So my first suggestion to you is, like, after these basic skills, improve your public speaking, and you can do that by multiple ways. But try to do it on a daily basis and join a group which is relevant to that, right? Now next skills are very important. I think it's one of the most important skill, and no institute can teach you this skill. It's called people management skill. So how to manage people? When I say manage people, I'm not saying you have to be a boss and subordinates are there, your employees are there. No, your clients, your business partners, your team, your family, in fact, your people you interact with on a daily basis, those all of them are basically your people, will reflect your people management skills. How you treat people, how you can convince them to get the work done, all these things are going to help you convince people management, right? And I'm telling you, no institute in the world, no Harvard, no Yale, no IIMs can teach people management skills, because that will come only from your own character, your own attitude, the way you conduct business. All that is going to come from people management. Basically, that's what I would highly recommend you to start improving people management. Read a book called How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. That book can give you a lot of good perspective on these skills, right? So very important, people management. Now this is something which is going to be a very strategic it's basically strategic but business planning. Now business planning, I'm going to give you a very simple thing. How do you plan the what you want to launch, the business, the kind of product that you want to design? That planning stage is very important. I personally believe business planning is one of the most important skills that people lack, because they are too much into technical skills sometimes. For example, if someone is a great video editor, but how is going to market his services? How is going to reach out to clients who really need that service? How is going to elevate that video editing skills of that is technically business planning. How to reach out to customers, what to talk to them, all the skills that I mentioned, they are all part of business planning. So I think people become independent consultants or business, but they don't have business plan for long term. So I personally believe that people need to have good business planning skills, right? Very important. Now next skill, I genuinely believe, yes, AI has come, technology has come, but this skill is irreplaceable if you are very good with stories and emotions, and that is called copywriting skills. Nobody can, no chat gpt now version 400 also will not take it away, because the emotions and story, the personal anecdotes that you can share. Okay, when I was 10 years old, I experienced this, and from that experience I learned this, and this is what I don't want to repeat the mistake in this business of yours. So these connections that you can create with being a copywriter. A copywriter basically is who write compelling copies. Copies are basically words that sell, message to market, right? So being a good copywriter is very very important. What choose? So for example, I'm talking about these words. I don't have a script with me right now. I just know these 10 points that I want to talk about, and I'm speaking very briefly on these points with all of you, because I wanted to make a short video. When I take a long session, I talk great things about these topics in detail. So being a copywriter is a very important skill in today's world, right? Now this is something very important. I don't want to categorize in one category, so I'll just name it technical skills. Now technical skills, when I meant is, you need to be very good with technology, like hard skills, hardware also, software also. So I use editing tools. I have used basic Zoom, I use Xminds, I use PowerPoints, basically Excels. Even my hard equipments like this ring light, this mic, I basic technology skills to basically to basically help people, because these technological skills are going to be very very important in your future, because we cannot part away from technology right now, right? In the next 5 to 10 years, technology will only improve, and if we are stagnant at one place, we'll not be able to improve ourselves. So if you want to get high paid in your work, right, the better content you make, the better work that you do using technology will pay you a lot of high income. So high paying skills, one of the major important skills in 2024 is basically your technological skills, how good you are with technology, right? Now this is something which I learned in college, and I genuinely think this is so powerful. It's called design thinking, right? So design thinking is basically the like second last skill that I would can mention is designing skills. Is basically how you can design a work. Like for example, if I have to, like this, I just recording this video, right? So what I first thought is, what are the skills that I want to share? Okay, fine. So I will share these 10 skills, and I will take almost 1 minute to talk about all these skills. So if you mention after every 1 minute, I'm changing the skills name for myself, because I'm seeing what time I have. So this is basically designing this video in my mind, which I'm not even putting it on paper right now. So that designing skills, basically the way you want to complete a task, you have a design for it, you have a structure for it. Now that skill is very important. It doesn't come straight away. It comes with a lot of practice and a lot of book reading and content creation. But yeah, I think designing skills can be very powerful. Research more about it. You will get a lot of insights about designing skills, and your life will be more productive. Last skill which I think is like basically I think project management. Now project management, I'm not talking about like big projects of a company or something. I'm saying if you want to launch something, how I'm going to manage this one project. So for example, I wanted to create I wanted to grow my YouTube. So what I'm doing is I'm doing a 50-day video challenge, and every day I'm having a theme. Okay, today I want to talk about passive income, today I want to talk about entrepreneurship, and I'm putting a topic behind below that. So I have basically planned this entire 50-day project in such a way. There's one thumbnail that you can see which I'm using for all 50 days. So this entire project is going on in my life, right? So basically, how you're going to design everything, this how you're managing this project, right? Every day I use, sometimes I use screen. Today I'm just using basically today I'm using, I will edit the video later once I record it, right? So basically, this how to manage one project. So project management skills are going to be very very important. So I think today I kept a very short and 10 skills that I mentioned. I think these skills can elevate your income, elevate your confidence in your business to the next level. So I would highly recommend all of you to go and learn these skills. In the last, I am I have a private community. Please join that private community. A lot of things is happening. I will share all the updates in my private community. It's a free community. Please join that. Also, I have a book readers club where I teach people how to read books, how to get inspired by that book readers club. I give a lifetime membership with a very small 499 rupees lifetime membership. So please enroll with that book readers club using the link that is given below. So I hope this video was helpful, and these top 10 skills are very important. If you have any skill, write in the comment section that this skill was also very important for future Shobhit. Like this skill can also elevate your your business to a next level, your income to a next level. So great. I will see you in the next video tomorrow. Till then, take care.